Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to explain why WordPress is considered better than Wix and Shopify. I always prefer WordPress on top of all these new platforms and older platforms. WordPress has more flexibility and customization. WordPress offers extensive themes and plugins, allowing users to create highly customized websites. Users can modify almost every aspect of their site, while Wix and Shopify have more limited customization options. Okay, two, control and ownership. With WordPress, users have complete control over their website, including hosting choices and data ownership. Wix and Shopify have less control and flexibility. Okay, so the third option why I prefer WordPress, the SEO capabilities. Okay, WordPress is also known for its strong SEO friendly features, and that's why Google loves it the most. Okay, it provides numerous plugins that enhance SEO. Okay, while Wix and Shopify have made improvements in the recent years, but still lag behind in this area. Okay, scalability. WordPress can easily scale with your business, accommodation, everything, to be honest. From small blogs to large e-commerce sites, companies will not choose you if you're looking to work in a company just because you know how to make websites on Wix or Shopify. Okay, so we don't want to forget that WordPress community and support has way better support. Okay, WordPress has a vast community and extensive documentation, making it easier to find support and resource. While Wix and Shopify offer customer support, okay, which is we all understand, the community aspects of WordPress can provide more diverse solutions and ideas. Okay, I always, no matter what, how hard the problem was, every time I used WordPress support or chat support, they always fix the issue. So they'll be like going along with you the whole journey. Okay, so overall, WordPress is ideal for users, let's say seeking flexibility, control, and a robust feature set of various types of websites. So that's why a professional web designer, you have to always go by the WordPress. Okay, if you really want to take it serious, you have to choose and you have to go by WordPress. So try to learn on Shopify and Wix, but then move on with WordPress. Okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more awesome tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.